Hi guys, in this tutorial we'll tell you how to rearrange and remove your app pages. Log into your app account. Go to My Apps. Click on Editor to go to Creator Software section. Now let's see how to rearrange the app pages. Drag the pages and drop it in the order as per your choice. From here you can change the page icon. Now let's remove an app page. Click on the specific app page. Let's say coupons. Now click on trash icon to delete the app page. A pop-up window asking your confirmation will appear. Click on delete to delete it. Once you are done, click save and continue. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching.